So as you all know, this is a dummy Canvas shell that we provided you. And once I click on courses, I have this little link that your LMS admin will install for you. And when you click on it, it'll take you to this dashboard. So I just have all these windows open so that it's easier. Okay, so the Learn mode has everything that includes the practice quizzes, the flashcards, the notes and notes, bookmarks, and highlights, activities, videos and simulations, and embedded 3D bodies. All of that is built into the Learn mode. And let's quickly review this. So this is your typical sidebar. Everything here is very responsive. And things starts adjusting. My computer is a bit slow, but because it's hogging the network. This is our adaptive sidebar. This is your OpenStax text. What we are doing is we are going to be replacing these images with more of these images. These images can be opened in a new window. Let's close this. They can also be docked. So the reason for docking is, let's say I'm in a different chapter or section, and I wanted to refer to some videos that were in a different section or chapter. I can usually use this as a dock. So this is very similar to your inbox or your dock on your computer. Along with this, we also have a Explore in 3D, and this is a button that loads that specific scene in 3D. Now, apart from that, as I'm scrolling through content, you'll notice that content keeps adapting here. That's why it's called the adaptive sidebar or the smart content bar. And the idea here is that depending on what the student is studying, all the relevant activities that have a hand icon, flashcards, quiz, which is a practice quiz, and all the terms and definitions, including videos, are loaded here. So students can simply click on any of these, play it. They can also dock it. They can also play it in full screen. And they also can take an activity, and we'll focus on activities once we get to it, and quizzes. So let me also show you annotations real quick. I can highlight, bookmark, or take notes. The beauty of all this is that this becomes my custom navigation. I can use this also to navigate, so I don't have to remember where I actually took these notes. The more important thing that I told you about the study guide is all of these get neatly organized in something called favorites. So this is your breadcrumb on the top, and this is used for navigation. So all the highlights, bookmarks, and notes I took is neatly organized by chapter and section. So when a student is going through your lectures, taking these notes, everything is heavily linked. What do I mean by that? So let's say I'm studying for my midterm, and now I'd like to go through this, and suddenly I say, you know what, I probably do not know enough about the nasal cavity, and let me just click on this. So this will take me back to the text wherever I took that highlight. So essentially, everything is interconnected in Learner. And whatever you build is also going to be interconnected. Okay. So much for annotations.